Sheynnis Palacios of Nicaragua was crowned the 2023 Miss Universe at the culmination of the annual beauty pageant, which took place on Saturday night in El Salvador's capital, San Salvador. Anntonia porsild of Thailand placed as first runner-up. Palacios' win marks the first ever time a Nicaraguan woman has won Miss Universe. She had previously represented Nicaragua in the 2017 Teen Miss Universe pageant, placing in the top 10, and in the 2021 Miss World pageant. The winners of 84 countries' national pageants had competed at this year's Miss Universe, judged by a panel including model Halima Aden, Queer Eye star Carson Kressley, TikTok influencer Ivani Gregg, and two former Miss Universe winners, Janelle Comishing of Trinidad and Tobago, Miss Universe 1977, and Iris Midnair of France, Miss Universe 2016. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe for more interesting facts.